Welcome back. Just wanted to show you a new feature that is going to be coming on the Kohler powered and Yanmar powered Jackals. It's our digital screen. These engines are computer powered, so we have a screen here that will show you engine RPM, engine temperature, maintenance reminders, battery voltage, and engine hours. As I mentioned, the screen shows our engine RPM, our engine coolant temperature, our operator present, and our auxiliary hydraulic neutral, our battery voltage, which will also show charging system voltage when the unit is running, and our engine hours. Scroll into it, you have our vehicle service intervals, giving us our time remaining until our next service, everything from your change oil and filter, check track tension, change hydraulic oil and filter, all resettable. Our clock settings allows us to go in and change our time and date. Our unit settings, allowing us to change from gallons per minute to liters per minute or Fahrenheit to Celsius. And our vehicle info, which is going to give us the serial number of our Kohler engine in this case. And that's about it for our LCD screen. Again, this will be coming on all of our Yanmar and Kohler powered units, and it will be the same whether it's a narrow track or a wide track. And I just wanted to show you how quick and easy the MSSQA is, the mini skid steer quick attach, for removing and installing your attachments. And as always, don't forget to check your local dealer.